Hi everyone and welcome back to today's More Report Chart Appraisals on Tuesday the 6th of October with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at Eurodollar now, and we've got this consolidation of Eurodollar really. We're getting some sort of mixed signals. You got this fairly corrective candle yesterday where you had the sharp move up towards the range high of around 113, drop down back below 112 figure. I'll talk about 112 figure as being a pivot level in a minute, but interesting that that is a negative candle, but it's really done nothing to give any real direction. So you're still very much range bound between 111 at the bottom, which is the big support, I believe, and 113 near term. So across, you've now been in that sort of range for a couple of weeks. It's very slight spike through that on non-farm payrolls, but it didn't last long on Friday. Momentum indicators basically bang on neutral. No real direction either way on anything that you're getting here on the daily chart. So hourly, here we go on the hourly chart. As I said, that's that range. Again, you're not really seeing too much direction. There is a minor pivot level that I mentioned around 112 figure. Seems to be interesting that does seem to be a turning point. Yeah, again, found the support after payrolls, but yesterday we broke through that. But again, early morning today, it sort of acted as a bit of a pivot, but sort of you just burst through that. So theoretically, you're now starting to move a little bit higher within that, and maybe looking for some gains again. But again, I said 12 figure is sort of basically bang in the middle of this range. So it's a difficult one to really gauge, but it's basically neutral. I mean, across all these indicators, a slight sort of turning around maybe on the MACD line, stochastics as well, RSI sort of higher, but again, you're not really getting too much decisiveness out of this chart. I'd say play the extremes of the range if you can get it, so back towards sort of the range highs. 12, I mean, just looking as a general sort of level of resistance area, 1280 seems to be coming in. 1290 was the high yesterday. And that was obviously under that spike high at 1317, but generally speaking, we're sort of between 11 figure and 13 figure. Trouble is, you're bang in the middle at the moment, so for me to call a direction today is going to be very difficult. But as I said, you could sort of use that pivot level near term, but also maybe look to use perhaps the RSI on the hourly chart. Sort of moves towards 70 being sort of looking out for selling opportunities, as happened again yesterday, and move towards 30 being a buying opportunity. But very near term, we've got a slight uptick in momentum, which could well mean that we start to sort of build back towards the highs again. But again, I don't see this as breaking out anytime soon. I think it's fairly solidly range bound for now, looking for a catalyst. So I wish you good luck in your trading on Euro, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.